schedule. The only thing I hate is that when I go to the shower, I'm enjoying and stuff like that. But then just after a couple minutes, my ears start to hurt really badly to the screams of my parents going, Aishi, get out of the shower, you're wasting too much water, get out as soon as possible. Because they think that I take too long showers, I waste too much hot water, and I make the water bill go so high. But I don't think this is the case. I may take long showers, but I guarantee I'm not wasting that much water. So then it's either two options. My parents go to office really mad, or I go to school upset. And guess what? My sister's just there chilling and enjoying the arguments because my parents don't think it's her wasting that much water because she's all mature and stuff like that, as older sisters are. So how about water companies can itemize the bill so you can easily go, Aishi's shower is taking up this much water and wasting this much money, so that we know who's wasting the most water. And this can be solved in our house, but not other than other people's houses too, similar to the same situation. I hope you like my unique thought, and if you haven't guessed, welcome to the perspective building workshop specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought just by monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. And if I can get my unique thought just by going in the shower, I'm sure you can too. Bye, and thank you for watching.